invention can change the world forever. Invention includes things like the steam engine, printing press, the computer, internet, the light bulb, and many more. In this modern era, science is having a major influence on our day-to-day life. Namaste and very good morning to one and all present here. I, Nandini Chawda, welcome you all for today's assembly. Today is Monday, 28th February 2022 and Gujarati Tithi Pramane આજે મહાવદ તેરસ છે. Spirituality is the science of human growth for self-transformation and also for the world transformation through peace and purity. So let's head to the music team for the prayer.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् सरि सरि गरि ग प गरि सा प म प द प म गरि ग म ग सा नि सा नि ध नि ध प द प म प म ग रे नि सा कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं बैर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं बैर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
Technology has made life simpler and easier. India has contributed to the scientific world from the ancient period itself. Now, too, our scientists are making it possible to be powerful with technological upgrades in all related fields. But do you know about National Science Day?
28 February is National Science Day. I don't know what is National Science Day.
28th February is National Science Day, birthday of Dr. Raman. 28th February is National Science Day because of Raman effect.
Every year on February 28th, we celebrate this day to mark the invention of Raman effect, also known as Raman scattering, which was an important discovery by iconic physicist Sir C.V. Raman in the field of scattering of light. The discovery states that when the light travels through a transparent object, some of it gets dispersed and the dispersed light changes its wavelength and amplitude, though slightly. He was also awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics for some important discovery. Let's keep an eye on a young scientist.
National Science Day is celebrated with a particular theme. Union Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launched the theme, Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. He also added that the era of working in silos is over and all should join hands for integrated theme-based projects. So let's inquire about our scientists through a beautiful poem, Scientific Inquiry.
Scientific inquiry. Scientists are like explorers, using what they know and see to blaze a trail that, step by step, will lead to new discoveries, formulate, distill and focus, narrow down, define the gist, determine scope and pinpoint locus. This is your hypothesis. Gather all the stuff you need to put in play the machinations, documents the happenings. This comprises your observation, what things change and what things stick, record the outcomes and effect. Don't presume and don't predict. Collect the data, just the facts. Combine the concrete things you see with what you know and trace you test. Interpretation is the key. Results are where you end the quest. Results are where you end the quest. Thank you.
There is always a need for scientific thinking for the development and progress of our country. Now let us all rise together for our national anthem. Assembly, Saudhan.
Assembly, Vishram. Science has a more rational approach. It is a work of logic and proof, from the cosmos to the shape of the earth, time, light, sound, as well as life, which once was believed to exist because of various superstitions and religions centuries back. All this is a more of a scientific discovery with proven facts. However, the more we explore it, the little it makes us feel because of its immense science and depth, making us humans unable to reach, manage, and control all the aspects of science. But there is one thing that we can control, that is the waste that we produce. Let's hear out the students who will show us how to do waste management.
What we purchase and how we dispose waste can harm the environment. People concerned about the environment think about the environmental impact of what they purchase and whether they need to buy at all. 3 R's, reduce, reuse and recycle, have been in the flow for a long time. In more recent years, they have expanded to become the 7 R's.
Rethink, stop and think. Do we really need that box of individually wrapped snacks? Talk to the companies that supply our favorite products about rethinking their packaging. Refuse single-use plastics.
Reduce consumption. Become conscious of our choices and question whether or not we really need something.
Repurpose. Transform stuff we normally throw away into something cool and useful. Repurpose packing into arts and crafts.
Reuse. Be creative. How can we reuse packaging such as glass, cardboard and some plastic for other uses?
Recycle. Use city curbside pickup or find drop-off locations. Ask about recycling options. Place a recycling container in our home. Rot. Transform organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. Start composting.
Thank you, friends. So, on this day of science, we have to resolve that we will always make good use of science and everybody contributes to the progress of our country. With this, we come to the end of today's assembly. Now, let's enjoy the exit songs in the melodious voice of our music team. Thank you all for being with us and have a fantastic day ahead.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे
सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे। कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव मिले, लंबी सी डगर न खले, जहाँ हम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं, एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले। एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले।